Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make Eid special surprise kheer. Let's start. First you will need half cup of rice. You have to soak them in water for 30 minutes. Like this. These are already soaked. Now next step is to add them in the blender and blend them. But make sure it doesn't turn out to be a liquid. There must be some lumps of rice to be left so it can be eaten. Just like that. You can see there are pieces of rice. It's not fully liquid. So this step is done. Let's move on to the next one. Now boil water and add the colorful vermicelli. This is an optional step. If you want to do it, you can, or else you can just skip it. Now let them boil. Take 1 liter of milk and add the rice that we blended earlier. Add them one by one. Now you can see it's bringing a boil, so you can add sugar according to your taste, as much as you require. Now add 4 to 5 cardamom and a pinch of saffron. Now you can see the vermicelli is done. And also now you can see the change in the texture of the milk. Now you can add some dry nuts of your choice. Here you can see there are almonds, pistas and more. Now adding the vermicelli, mix it up. So now as you can see, these are gulab jamun. And our kheer is also ready. So let's serve it with the surprise. So all you have to do is just place the gulab jamun before adding the kheer. I have placed it like that in a circular form. Now add kheer over it. So when a person eats, they can find a gulab jamun inside without knowing it. Now cover it all up till the top. Now our yummy Eid special surprise kheer is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did so, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.